So today I'm going to show you how to get more watch time and how to drive towards the 4,000 hours of watch time required for YouTube monetization. I'm giving you 5 ideas of how you can increase your watch time. These 5 tips would help you get people watching your videos longer and also help you get more watch time. So we're going to go right into the video and I'm going to share these 5 tips with you. And if you stay to the end, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. Stay right here. Now, YouTube requires creators to reach 2 thresholds for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube Partner Program is simply where you get the opportunity to get ads played on your videos, where you get money, you get revenue from the ads that run on your video, on your content. Every creator, especially those who want to be monetized, who want to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, long to get 4,000 hours of watch time and also 1,000 subscribers. Today we're talking about the watch time, not the subscribers. But you notice that as long as the watch time increases and as soon as you start getting more views and people getting to watch your videos longer, your subscribers gradually will increase. Okay, today's is about watch time. So tip number 1, you guessed it right, make longer videos. Make longer videos. So let me give you a scenario. So if you made a video that was 5 minutes long and your viewers or a viewer watches the whole video the whole way through, 100% of the video, the maximum you can get in terms of watch time is just 5 minutes. But look at the second scenario. You make a 10-minute video and somebody watches just about 3/4 or 60% of it, 70% of it, you end up with 7 minutes. You end up with more watch time than the video that has an audience retention of 100%. You have more watch time than the video which got viewers watching the whole way through. So make longer videos. Make longer videos. If you make longer videos, you give yourself the opportunity to get a longer watch session or longer view duration and also to get more watch time from your viewers. So tip number 1 is make longer videos. It goes without saying, longer videos gives you the opportunity to get people watching for longer. As long as your content is engaging and is interesting, your viewers will watch for longer, and that gives you longer or more watch time. And if you're getting value out of this video, kindly hit like, hit the thumbs up button now. Tip number 2, keep your viewers watching for longer. Number 2, keep your viewers watching for longer. If I have to repeat it again, keep your viewers watching for longer. That is tip number 2. It's self-explanatory. Now, for you to get a big watch time or more watch time, you need people to watch your videos for longer. So the fact of making longer videos does not necessarily mean that viewers are going to stay engaged and watch for longer. People come on YouTube to watch videos for value. So if your video is empty of value, they will not watch for longer. And by the way, if you're getting value out of this video, please hit the like button below. Hit the thumbs up button below now. So keep your viewers watching by offering value, offering something that they want to stay on and watch right to the end to get the full value. By offering something which the viewers are compelled to stay right to the end and watch for longer so they are able to get every bit of the value which you are offering in your video. Keep them watching for longer by offering them value. And how can you offer value? Educate them, entertain them, make them laugh, appeal to their emotion, console them, encourage them, inspire them, motivate them, offer value. Give them what they need, give them something that will touch their lives, something that will impact their lives, something that will add something to their lives. Give them what they need, give them value in exchange for their time and their commitment to watching your videos. So, another point, which is point number 3, is structuring your content. Okay, so structure your content in such a way that the viewer would want to watch the whole way through. For example, no, I don't have anything to say there, but you waited for it, didn't you? Okay, so structure your content in a way that the viewer would want to watch to the end. They would want to stay on to know or to hear what you have to say next. That's point number 3. Next, we go to point number 4. Point number 4 is simply this. Point number 4 is identify through your analytics exit points in your video. What do I mean by that? So, study your analytics and see which part of your video most people drop off at. If you study your analytics, you would notice that there is a place or there are places, points where most people leave the video. Now you want to clamp down on that, cut that off. For example, if your introduction is getting people to leave your video within the first few seconds, cut your intro. In this video, for example, when I started, I said, I'm going to show you how to get more watch time. That is both an introduction of the topic and also trying to tease what we're about to do today. So I made you aware that I'm going to help you with some tips to help you increase your watch time and drive towards the 4,000 hours watch time requirement so you can be monetized on YouTube. And you stayed on because you're interested and you wanted to know what you could do. So cut out the unwanted bits. The bits that get people to click off, cut it out. So point number 5 and the last is just one way of making longer videos. One way of getting people to watch more is by doing what I just did today. Make a list video. A list of ideas. I'm giving you 5 ideas of how you can increase your watch time. And that's what I just did. I give you a list number 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So if you listen to number 1 and you're still interested, you would want to know number 2. If you listen to number 2 and you're still interested, you would want to know the next point and the next point and the next point until the list is exhausted. So now we're at the end of our video where I've given you the 5 ideas. But listen, did you catch the 5th one? The 5th one is make a list video. A list video. 10 ideas of how to increase your watch time. 5 ways to fry an egg. 5 ways to save without going bust. These are things that get people watching longer because point number 1, to make people watch longer, you need to make longer videos. To make longer videos, you need to have something interesting to say. To have something interesting to say, you need to have something interesting or something that the viewers are interested in that you can talk about for a very long period of time, giving you the opportunity to make longer videos. By the way, if there are any strategies or tips that you know of or you use to increase your watch time and to get more watch time to get towards the 4,000 hours requirement for YouTube monetization, then please leave that in the comment section as well, and I'll check it out. I do my best to respond to all my comments, especially within the first week. Now, since you stayed to the end, I'm going to give you a bonus tip. This is a bonus tip. Shh, don't tell anyone else. And if you stayed to the end and you watched this bonus tip, please leave a comment and let me know. One other way of getting people engaged, which is a bonus today, is sometimes you forget about the editing. Now, this is something that most people would say, well, don't do, but sometimes your viewer, your subscribers, the people who are watching you want to feel a natural environment. Sometimes they want to hear the bleeps, they want to hear the bumps, they want to hear the mistakes. So ditch the editing sometimes. This is contrary to all YouTube advice, but ditch the editing sometimes. When I say ditch the editing, when I say ditch the editing, I don't mean don't edit your videos at all. What I mean is don't spend too much time cutting off everything. Sometimes leave some of the bleeps in and get the viewer something at least to smile about at the end of the day. The strategy of ditching the editing is especially beneficial for new YouTubers. So if you are a new YouTuber, by all means try and do that, because editing can hold you back from starting your YouTube channel or ever uploading videos at all. And even for intermediate and advanced, sometimes it is beneficial to make raw footage content and upload it. Just hit record and upload the results. As usual, share your thoughts about this strategy. Do you agree with me? Do you agree that you sometimes need to forget about the editing? That it's sometimes good to upload just your first shot, first shoot, and upload that straight away, especially if you're a new YouTuber. Now, share your thoughts in the comment section below. Do you agree with me? Yes? Yes? Okay. Leave a comment and let me know what you think about this strategy. Ditch the editing. Leave a comment below and let us know. And once again, hit the like button if you get value out of this video. And when you do, you're going to make the YouTube algorithm smile. And guess what that makes me do? I smile too. By the way, as you leave, here are some takeouts for you. I hope you like them. I'll take it again. I'll take it again. Take 3. I'll take it again. When I say ditch, when I say ditch the editing, editing, edit, yes, yeah, get longer watch time. Let's get into the video. Yes, yes, because you want to get monetized of watch time. Once again, hit the like button if you get value out of this video. And when you do, you're going to make the YouTube algorithm smile. And guess what that makes me do? I smile too. God bless you. You came, you watched, you learned. I'm happy you did. Now, would you do me a favor? Would you click the like button on this video? If you did, you would make the YouTube algorithm smile. And I would too.